You have got exactly 24 hours before this transforms from an inconvenience into a life or death crisis. Before grocery stores become war zones, before hospitals start choosing who lives and who doesn't.
Take care of your supplies before your neighbors start taking an interest in your personal stock.
Most people think they have time. They think help is coming. They think this is temporary, just another storm outage that will resolve itself by morning. They are wrong, and that assumption is going to kill them. I am going to walk you through the first 24 hours of a total grid collapse, hour by hour, so you understand exactly when the clock starts ticking.
A total grid collapse is not a movie plot. It is a scenario the Department of Homeland Security has wargamed multiple times.
It is what happens when a coordinated cyber attack hits critical substations, or when a Carrington-level solar flare fries transformers. Here is what most people don't understand about power grids. They are not designed to fail gracefully. When one substation goes down, it overloads the ones next to it. Within 90 seconds of the first failure, the entire interconnected grid can be dark. Just silence. Heavy, unnatural silence. Most people's first reaction is confusion. They check their phones, still have battery, but no signal. Some people get in their cars to see what is happening. This is a mistake that wastes precious fuel and puts them in danger. Traffic lights are dead. What you should do in the first 5 minutes is this. Grab a flashlight, not your phone. Turn off major appliances at the breaker to prevent surge damage. In the first hour, social media is dead. Gas stations cannot pump fuel. ATMs do not work. 911 is overwhelmed. Your immediate priority is water. Fill every container you own. Bathtubs, sinks, pots, buckets. You have got 1 to 3 hours before pressure drops to nothing. Then, secure your home. Lock doors and windows. Close curtains. You are going dark. Between hour 2 and hour 6, most people sleep. But hospital generators are burning fuel. Grocery store coolers are warming. Cell towers are dying. If you are smart, you are not sleeping. You are charging critical devices using your car battery and a power inverter. At 6 a.m., people wake up. The power is still out. Now the denial starts cracking. Lines form fast. Shelves empty in hours. First water, then bread, then batteries. By 10 a.m., stores close due to aggressive crowds. Stay home. If you have prepared, you do not need to be in those crowded areas. It is safer to avoid busy public places for now. Between noon and 6 in the afternoon, the shops stand vacant. Commotion starts. Authorities are spread thin. If you are not in a critical situation, you are not the main concern. Start water rationing now. 1 gallon per person per day. Do a food inventory. Reinforce doors with long screws. Establish a family code word. Between 6 p.m. and midnight, reality hits. Crime spikes. Fires start from candles. Social order is fraying. Defensive lighting only in interior rooms. You share information with trusted neighbors, not supplies. Ask what they have heard, not what they have eaten. By 24 hours, you were still here. You stored water while they panicked. You went dark while they lit up like beacons. Because while they were waiting for the lights to come back on, you were becoming your own grid.